Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells trades, authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer our lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price of the watch, simply click on our links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com once in a while. Today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust. This is a 31mm watch. This is the model number 178288. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So jumping right into the dial, we have a very luxurious style dial. This is the champagne dial, sort of in the sunburst feature. As you can see, different tones of champagne, that champagne coloration being in the lighter and darker tones that sort of rotate around the dials. I tilt it against my light box here. We have diamond hour markers in place of index hour markers that the watch can come in. And instead of the index hour markers, these diamond hour markers are fashioned in 18 karat yellow gold to prevent any tarnishing. The hands are solid gold as well in the 18 karat yellow gold. You can see for the hour and minute hand, both are in solid gold. Unfortunately, no luminosity on the more luxurious styles, as the Rolex tends to keep the hands non-luminous in conjunction with the hour markers, in this case the diamond hour markers. Besides that, the Datejust itself is still pretty simple in terms of dial structure. We still have the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. We have the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position and that Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust name right underneath that. At the 6 o'clock position, we have the superlative chronometer officially certified text right on the 6 o'clock position there. And then we have the Swiss made right underneath the 6 o'clock position hour marker as well. So still pretty simple Datejust watch, but just pushed to sort of its maximum luxury with being the diamond hour markers and such. Of course, if you're not interested in the champagne dial, as it might be not enough for you, you can also go upgrade to a mother of pearl dial as well, for the most luxurious of the dials. But of course, you also can take a step back as well, going with index hour markers and also going with a different dial color, different dial colors as well. Moving on to the bezel. Bezel is simply beautiful. I believe about almost a 1 carat weight in diamonds, about approximately like 48 diamonds or so around the whole face of the bezel. As you can see, shines very beautifully in conjunction with that sunburst dial to bring a nice shine to the face of the watch itself. And of course, the bezel is also set in an 18 karat yellow gold setting as well. As you can see, nicely high polish around the trim and the outer edge of it. Moving on to the case now, as I mentioned, this watch is a 31mm style watch. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. You can see very beautiful high polish, as this is of course a very dressy watch. You have the nice beautiful high polish on the lugs of the case on both sides, as you can see. On the side profile view of the watch, you can see it doesn't sit, actually very thin profile, will fit under those suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. Nice high polish on the sides of the case, matching with high polish on the sides of the bracelet. On the other side, you can see nice high polish as well. The whole case being 18 karat yellow gold, the whole case being 18 karat yellow gold, the crown, just everything about this is just toned in gold, which is absolutely gorgeous if you're looking for something extremely luxurious. You can see on the crown itself with the Rolex crown logo there with 2 dots indicating that this is a twin lock double waterproofness system. So we can unwind the crown counterclockwise as shown. And the standard position is how you wind the watch. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started from a dead stop. Pulling the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously. See how easy it is to adjust that date. Pulling the crown out to the next position will stop that second hand. As you can see, I'll stop it at that 10 o'clock position. And you'll be able to adjust the hands bidirectionally and set the time however you like. The stopping of the second hand is used for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. Pressing the crown back in will start that second hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistant. Specifically for this Datejust model, we're looking at a water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. Alright, moving on to the bracelet now. Bracelet, it's a beautiful president style bracelet. It's a 3-piece link bracelet, sort of a combination of the Oyster bracelet and Jubilee bracelet put together. We have these nice half semicircle links with a brush finish on the outer of the 3-piece links and a nice mirror finish right down the center. And you can see that goes throughout the whole bracelet. So go on to the other side. Even for this small style watch, this 31mm watch, we still have a very beautiful tapering. There's just a very minor tapering from the first link down to the back before it reaches that continuous flat patterning for the bracelet. And that's just to keep the watch in a proportional view overall. Once again, I'll go ahead and pull that away from the camera a little bit so you can see that front facing view. Just a minor bit of tapering. For the clasp itself, it's a concealed 4-link crown clasp. What that means is that the clasp is located right here where the Rolex logo is on the back of the bracelet, and that's actually where you open up the clasp at. Opening up reveals these nicely high polished clasp blades. You can see that beautiful embossing of that Rolex name on that high polished clasp blade there. Alright, let me close that up now. And on to the movement. The movement is housed in this oyster style case backing. You can see a nice satin finish on the back of the case back with a nice bordering finish around the outer edge. The movement itself is I believe a 2235 movement, which is a smaller style movement for these Datejust watches. All right. The movement itself is still a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement in-house made by Rolex. It has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds today, meaning that it's within Swiss specs. For the movement functions itself, as any other Datejust movement, it has the functions in the hour, minute, and second hand, with the instantaneous changing of the date and the stopping of the second hand for precise time setting. Alright, the power reserve of this watch, we're looking at a 50-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, it'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually show you this watch on my wrist now. As this is more of a lady's watch, might not fit my wrist properly here, but we'll see. Yep, just a little tight, but I still want to show you the watch on a wrist. Let me zoom that out a bit. Let me just shift this over just a little bit. See, very easy to use clasp, very beautiful, dual polishing of the satin finish and the mirror polish on the bracelet itself. That continuous pattern looking absolutely gorgeous. There's a watch itself. Of course, it's going to look a little small on my wrist as I have an average man size wrist. But for you ladies out there, this might be the watch for you if you're looking for something a little luxurious. That sort of pushes the boundaries of luxury, being nicely set with diamonds on the bezel and diamonds for the hour markers as well, but also had a beautiful sunburst champagne matching with the rest of the bracelet. Absolutely gorgeous watch. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website, jazztime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.